Struggling with a non-accessible shared folder on Windows 11? Don't worry, help is here. Discover effective solutions to fix the issue and regain access to your shared folders. Open the File Explorer and select either the drive or folder on your computer that you want to share. This guide will select a folder, but the methods are the same. Right-click on the folder and select Properties. In the New Properties window, select the Sharing tab. Click on the Advanced Sharing button in the middle of the window. This will open the Advanced Sharing window. Click the checkbox at the top of the window to enable Share this folder. Enter a share name underneath Settings for the drive or folder you want to share. You can limit the amount of users who can have access to the shared folder by changing the number on the right. Then click the Permissions button under Comments to open another small window. You can choose Everyone to allow everyone on the network to have access, or choose a select few by click on their user names. You can choose Everyone to allow everyone on the network to have access, or choose a select few by click on their usernames. Click on Apply to save the changes. Click OK to close the Permissions for Saved Pictures window. In Advanced Sharing again, click Apply, then OK to apply the settings. If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution. Select the drive or folder on your computer that you want to share. Right-click on the drive or folder and select Properties. Select the Security tab on the Properties window. Click on Edit in the middle to change permissions. Click on the Add button. In the new Select Users or Groups pop-up window, select Advanced at the bottom. A new window will appear. Click on Find Now to the right. A series of search results will appear at the bottom of window. Scroll down until you locate Everyone. Select Everyone in the list and then click OK. You'll go back to the Select Users or Groups window. Select OK. You will see Everyone listed in the Security window under Group or User names. Select Everyone and then check all the Allow boxes in the Permissions for Everyone box. Click Apply at the bottom of the window to save the changes. Click OK to close the Permissions window. Click the magnifying glass icon on the taskbar. If this fix didn't get the job done, let's go ahead and explore the next solution. In the search bar, type Advanced Sharing Settings and select the first entry you see. Click on all networks to expand the options. Select the Turn on Sharing option under Public Folder Sharing. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.